How to turn off comments on YouTube videos. So to start, we'll have to open our browser, and then in here we'll have to search for YouTube. After that, simply log into your YouTube channel. Once you're logged in, go on the top right corner and then simply tap on this profile picture. After that, tap on this view your channel option. So in here, we'll have to go on this manage videos. After that, it will show you all the videos that you have on your account. So if you want to turn off comments on a video, all you need to do is to tap on this details option. After that, we'll have to scroll down, and then in here, we'll have to tap on this show more option. After that, we'll have to scroll down again until we see this option, comments and ratings. In here, we'll have to tap on this arrow icon, and then simply tap on this off option. After that, we'll have to tap on the save option to save the changes on our channel. So that's how easy we can turn off comments on YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.